What's going on, guys? My next knife review will be on the Beltrame Stiletto. So this one I got it at Grindworx 6 years ago, and it's still in good shape here. Alright, so here's my next review on the Beltrame Stiletto. So I decided to do a second review on this from my previous video. So I'd like to say thanks for the good views on my other video. You guys are still watching it. I made editing changes to it if you want to know. So I decided to, bring this out once more. And this is a great collector's item. Well, just opens like this. And yeah, 6 years later, still have it here. So the one I have is the Dagger edge blade, olive wood handle scales. And yeah, this is a great collector's item. So the one I have here is it's sold out. So I got this, back in 2018, and it's very sharp. That's all right. Yeah. Sometimes they come in razor sharp, sometimes they don't, sometimes they're dull. Alright, so I decided to, bring this out one more time. So I got this at Grindworx back in 2018. I got it for like less than $100. So I got it for like, $79.99. Great deal. And it says right there, Frank B. Italy as always. And if you want to know, they're all sold out. So I say, if you find one, I say just get it, because they do sell out fast. And for the past 6 years, I never had a problem with this. It's still in good shape. Yeah, it's well made, even if it's not like made of, D2 or S30B. Alright, let me come up here as always. So anyway, here it is, like 6 years later, 2018, that's when I got this. Yeah, I do have the plain edge and budget stiletto and bayonet blade. Anyway, here's the dagger edge. And yeah, it's well made. And right there, if you can see very well, it says Frank B. Italy. Yeah, it says right there on the stamp. Yeah, it's real. It's solid, well made. So $79.99. That's how much I got this for, and free shipping at Grindworx. Yeah, it just opens like that. It's another great collector's item. Yeah, well made. Yeah, it's solidly built. Yeah. All right. So yes, again, I highly recommend it. If you can find one, so I say if you find one, I say get it, because they, again, like I said before, they do sell out fast. There's only a few of them at a time. So if you find one at Grindworx, get it right away. They do sell out fast. So the one I have here, this one is all sold out, because I got this like, such a while back. Alright, so I decided to do a second review on this. So again, thanks for the good views on my previous video. You guys are still watching it, and, I appreciate it. So I decided to, bring this out and review it one last time. And yeah, opens good. I don't have a single there's not a single issue with this. It's well built. And again, if you all know, this is they don't use S30V or D2 steel, at least, but it could have been better. But overall, I don't mind so much. So yeah, the one I have is the Dagger edge olive wood scales. That's what it is. And of course, as always, you can get them in different styles, different blade styles and sizes. But like I said before, always get it right away. They do sell out quick. And yes, this is a great collector's item right here. Alright. And there you go. So I just want to say again, thanks for the good views on my previous video. So this is my second review on this from a couple years ago. Alright, so I think I'll keep this review short. And I think I covered everything. Alright, let's look at it one more time. There you go. That's it. It says right there, Frank B. Italy on the tang right there. Alright, I think that's about it. I'll keep this review short. Alright, so I gave you a good review on the Beltrame Stiletto that I got at Grindworx. So get yours today. Don't wait the last minute. They do sell out. Like I said, they do sell out fast. All right. So hope you liked the video review, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.